because just down the road they're having a farmers convention and over 1 million farmers showed up. Now that, my friend, is a big crowd. Huh? Well, it seems someone's knocking at my door. Come on in, fella. And what's your name?
Peter.
Well, Peter, I see you got your raccoon there with you. Yeah, can you tell me how to hunt a raccoon?
You always bring a gun with you.
And
You always aim. If it run away, you gotta catch it and chase it.
okay, is there anything that makes a squirrel mad?
When you shake it up when you get it.
Okay, so you mean you shake it up like this?